Hi everybody, I'm Parna again with you all with a new question. Do you know about numbness? Now I am going to discuss what are possible causes of numbness in my left hand. There are many things that may causes numbness in an individual's left hand. It could be caused by a repetitive stress motion disorder like carpal tunnel syndrome or from nerve damage or disease. Carpal tunnel syndrome is a common repetitive stress motion disorder. It is caused by nerve compression and can be quite painful, for although symptoms usually start gradually. At first, an affected individual may notice numbness and tingling in the hand, which is often eventually followed by continuous pain. Another cause of left hand numbness could be nerve damage or disease. In such cases, the lack of sensation is frequently associated with pain, described as prickling, pins and needles in the hand. Burning sensations are also common with such conditions. If numbness starts in the left hand and moves to a different part of the body, it could be related to a circulatory, neurological or muscle-related condition. A sudden loss of feeling that affects the hand and the arm could be warning sign of an impended stroke. As a stroke can be life-threatening, it is imperative to seek medical help right away if you experience this symptom. Without an examination from a medical professional, it is difficult, if not impossible, to determine the cause of left hand numbness. Though you may have the symptom of a specific illness or condition, the cause could be something completely different from what you might expect. To protect your health, it's important to consult with a medical professional to get an accurate diagnosis. To make it easier for your healthcare provider to diagnose your left hand numbness, take notice of when the lack of feeling occurs and record on paper the date on which you first noticed it. If symptoms occur at specific times during the day, write this information down. Also record whether or not the numbness begins after a certain activity and how long it lasts. Describe any symptoms as well, even if you believe them to be unrelated. Do not rely on your memory alone for this information, as many individuals forget things once they are in an examination room. So friends, I think you all have enjoyed with this topic. I will be again with different interesting topic. Thank you.